USB ka North Garo Hills, Bruno N Sangma, haba kren kila pathai khubor, mynta ka sngi ka tarik Lber 8,000 pusau, iathuh baki Pulit kila Kem Noh, ya Lai Ngut Kiba bynta kaban pynsaphriang shithi dawa pisa, bat kibala subaru, baki don jingthmu, ban Pynkhie Biang ka Seng Gnla, Garo Hills. Ya ki Lai Ngut Kiba shah latip kyrteng Silsang K Marak, Gilja Sangma, bat Suresh Sangma. Iathuh ru ba Silsang K Marak udai udukhat barim jong ka Seng Gnla kiba ki Pulit ka jela Assam kidang thuet bha kajing kem yakini ki Lai Ngut kalong hadin ki Pulit kila yo ek ejhar kabala ujor haka arphusan tarik urumphang hakar kuta police station halor kajing dawa pisa arpho hajar nakiriu shimet.
In the month of February 7th, there was a social media posting saying that GNLA has regrouped. And on the 25th of February 2024, we have received one FIR in Calcutta PS. And based on the FIR which we received, we have conducted investigations. And so far, till date, we have arrested 3 people in this regard. And the names of those people are Silsang K Marak from Lber, and he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Gilja Sangma from iathuh, he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Suresh Sangma from iathuh only. He is 32 years of age. As of now, investigation is going on and we have seized mobile phones from their possessions which were used in the crime along with SIM cards. So as of now, investigation is going on. Silsang K Marak is an ex-militant group. He has been rehabilitated and he is the main culprit in this case in North Garo Hills. He has been wanted in Assam police as well. Assam court has given NPWA against him and we will be handing him over to Assam police as when the investigation is over in North Garo Hills. So far, investigation is going on and more arrests will take place. There are around 7 to 8 members in this regroup, so we will not be sparing them and we will be going after them, which have been used in the crime, because they have demanded fund ransom of 20,000 from the victim in North Garo iathuh. As of now, Silsang is the only member which have arrested, who is a trained member. So he was an ex-ULA member, United Army Division Army. That's all. Regarding that, I would like to say that most of the arms hidden by GNLA have been recovered and seized in Vilamnagar. Many of the arms have been recovered during my time when I was posted there. So as of now, recently we don't have any seizure. We are working on it. We are investigating because there was a social media posting. We are still, matter is under investigation.